Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I really thank you all for coming. Today we're making this recipe out of lentils. This looks so very fantastic. Doesn't it look like something from a fancy restaurant? It's made out of lentils. And I believe and I hope that after watching this video, you will begin to love lentils and you will start incorporating it into your daily meals. So lentils, here in my bowl, I'm just gonna add some lentils. It's very rich in selenium, potassium, phosphorus, pantothenic, thiamine, vitamin B6, riboflavin. It's very high in protein, iron, and vitamin K. Also, it has some excellent health benefits. You won't believe it. Lentils is excellent. It's ideal for pregnancy. It stabilizes blood sugar, prevents constipation. It fights cancer. It's a good source of plant protein. It aids in weight loss. It also provides steady energy levels. It's good for the cardiovascular health, and again, it's for anti-aging. Right here, I'm just adding some water. I'm going to just rinse it and rinse it again and let it sit for about 10 minutes before I start blending. So to add to that, I have this pepper sauce that I'm going to use. I have some crayfish, bell pepper, raw eggs, green pepper, salt, KNORR cubes, large onion, canola oil. So it's time to prep all the ingredients. In my blender, I already put the crayfish and the bell peppers. And I'm going to just blend that quickly. Feel free to add all the ingredients that you will regularly add to a moimoi when you're making moimoi. I'm just pouring that into my mixing bowl. And now I'll blend some of the already soaked lentils. This is quite different from the regular beans that you have to soak and wash and remove the skin. And it's much easier, it's stressless, saves time and saves energy. So, and it still tastes the same exactly, if not even better. So I'm just going to blend the lentils in batches. I'm going to do it blend it bit by bit. And now when it's blended, I'm just going to empty it into my mixing bowl. And I'll blend the onions as well. I'm just adding the KNORR cubes and then the raw eggs. And I'll blend that too and add to the mixture. So at this point, I'm adding my canola oil, the salt, the pepper sauce, the chili, I'll call it chili sauce, and some bouillon, chicken bouillon, and I'll give that a quick mix. So right here, I have my tray already set up. I'm just going to put the parchment paper on top, and my mixture is already fully mixed. I'm pouring it into my tray, my baking tray. I'll just flatten it and make sure everything is leveled. And then I have some already cut up green pepper and bell peppers. Just going to drop that on top. At this point, if you have some tuna or some salmon already cooked, you can just put it on top as well. And this is already cooked egg. I just chopped it up and I'm pouring it on top. And I'm going to send this into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it's all done. Look at that. Now it's time to roll our moi moi. So I cooked that at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. But keep watch, because I don't know how hot your oven might be. So this is how I ended up rolling my moi moi, my lentils moi moi. And it's very hot as I'm doing it, so be careful and don't get burnt when you're doing it. So it's all done. I'm transferring into my plate, as you can see. Very well folded and well rolled up. So I'm just going to split it into 3 or 4 parts. Look at how smoky, and believe me, this really tasted so delicious. Very, very rich and very delicious. So at this point, I want to say thank you to all who have watched the video till this point. If you have any questions, leave your comment below. And I appreciate you all for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.